and check it to make sure that it's not live before you lick it. Okay folks, so first thing that you do, we're gonna come over here to your switch box, turn off the breaker to the water heater. So that's here, ours, this is the thing on is this way, off, you click it off. Then take this little beeper thing and check it to make sure that it's not live before you lick it, okay? So that's not live, if it were live it will be beeping. Then you come down here and you connect a little hose here to this thing, and then as I turn this, if you Tina get a shot down here of this, see that? That's water coming out of the water heater. Now, take a look up here. You want to make sure that you turn the water off to your house when you're draining this thing, else you're just going to be pumping water through the system and right out the drain. So turn the water off so that we take this whole level down. We'll do the electrical first. Again, just double check. Then just take one of these pens, double check that the connections are not live. I was going the wrong way. What a friggin' amateur. Turn off this video, go watch someone else. This amateur hour over here. Look at that. When you go the right way, it comes right off. See this? Okay folks, I think this thing finished draining because I don't hear any more water coming out. And I got the inlet and outlet off, and this thing's still really heavy. I thought I'd be able to kind of muscle this thing around a little bit. Holy crap. Yeah. That's not good. I don't want to damage any of the connections. I'm going to have to get a wire and hold that up. I just nailed my stinking head on the copper pipe there, guys. Ow. Oh, shit. This guy. Right in this thing. Okay. So just... I still feel a bunch of water in there. Maybe it's just so clogged up. Whoa, you guys see that? I just stuck this in there. It got clogged or something. Now it's draining more. I bet there's so much sediment in the bottom of this thing because like we bought this house and it said very well maintained, and I'm like, that was not the case. And we were first time home buyers, and my level of maintenance of stuff and like general cleanliness and order and like maintenance is drastically different from what these other people who are selling the house said. I mean, ask for examples of what well maintained means. What, like you cut the lawn? Like really? Who gives a crap, right? What do you do to the mechanicals? You know, to the envelope?